I've got 10 seconds till the stream starts. It looks like it's recording for me. I don't have to click anything. And hopefully this works. I'm just going to do like a quick 5-second thing. So, all right, this is my test of a live stream. I'm using Streamlabs OBS. This is the third test. I'm trying to simultaneously record at the same time. We'll see if that's working. I'm just going to go through a real quick test here. See, yep, that's up. Got my charts working here. Looking at the currently XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, a couple others, Cardano, obviously. I got to bring that thing back. So let me just do that real quick. ADA. Let's go here. My charts should still be there. They are. And I need to select. Where is it? There it is. Let's go there. Boom. Got it back. And let's bring you back up to right there. There we go. So we got that back. All right. So switch off of that. And then there's this. And if I go full screen, I get the full screen. Got the full screen. Come back to full screen. Come over here. Go to Twitter. Go to YouTube. Go to Instagram. Go to Facebook. Just testing out all this stuff to see if it works. Well, here we go. So now the stream is on. It has about a 20-second buffer or delay. I don't know if it's just watching me sitting there stare while it's on the thing. I have no idea. I really don't know how to stream, but I'm learning quick. So this is just another test really quick. I'm running through this stuff. Hold on one quick sec. Good Lord. All this shit just so I can do this and show this stuff off. Have fun with this. I really only want to do live streams at this point of current trades that I'm in, or live streams on like a run through of account setups and stuff like that, and how I set up my charts. Not a financial advisor, but here in test number 2, I'm just testing the whole shebang. I'm just trying to see if the volume over here is, I got the volume set at a right level. Back over here, I want to make sure that my charts are showing up well, so I want to make sure that I'm inside here and give it this so you just see as much of this as you can. Excuse my snorting. I have allergies. Try to do the best I can. Let's see, I'm just going to raise this up just a tick. Let's go ahead and bring this over. Let's bring this over and let's widen this out. Just take a quick zoom in, look at it a little bit more like that. Maybe like that. So yeah, like for instance right here at Cardano, I'm looking at a local high right here at around $1.56. I'm looking at some resistance. I'm sorry, it's some support right here, some resistance right here, and it's in a channel, and I want to see which way it's going to go. Ethereum is a really good example of that right now. Played around inside this channel, W up, another W way up. So what we have here is definite support, definite resistance. So once it came up in here, tested it a little bit, came back up in here, played in here real well. Boom, you got support. Boom, you got support. Boom, you have resistance, support, consolidation, up and up. And so now we're in new era up here. What is it at? 34.13, all-time high. Every dollar, every cent that it goes up from here is an all-time high. So we really have no idea where the new resistance is going to be. It's going to have to be generated by something other than technical analysis. At this point, it's just going to be whatever it is, it is. And this will be my new floor of resistance right here. I'm looking for this to hold right here, because you can see that it was here that it wanted to go here, didn't, came back, and then boom, hit resistance, came way down, consolidated, came up, consolidated on its way up, and then right here it had some play right here. If you really zoom in there, you can see it. And I like that right there. That gives me a good indication that this area right here is where I'm looking. I'm looking at this line right here for its comeback. When it retraces and it takes, people take their profit, etc., blah, blah, blah. That's the line I'm looking at, which is 2650. So for me, I'm looking at Ethereum at 2650 as my next entrance. If it goes below that, then I'll be waiting for $2,005. That's kind of how I'm playing Ethereum right now. With Bitcoin, a little bit different. It just, God only knows at this point. It's more predictable and more. This is easier to analyze. TA on this is so much easier because Bitcoin is so. I don't know. It's just fundamentally different than altcoins. But this is more if you're really into like trading more frequently and whatnot. But I'm not looking at it for that reason, and I'm definitely not looking at that for this on this one. So, and as far as Cardano goes, just this will be the end of this video, this live stream test that I've been doing. So this is live streaming right now. I have no way of knowing what the hell it looks like. Let me try to sign into chat. Oh, here we go. Oh, I already did that once before. So this is, I'll just say test number 2 and see if that goes in there. There we go. And then I don't know how to view it. Blah, 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 blah. I have no way of knowing how to view my own live stream unless I go to my channel, I guess. Let me try that real quick. So if I go to my channel, I'm just going to my own channel. Yeah, your channel. And let me do this right here. And it says I'm live right now. No, it doesn't. I have no idea if this is going out there or not. I have no way of knowing, to be honest with you, because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. But in any case, let's see, live 5 minutes over on my channel. Let's refresh and see if it shows a live button. I'm going to take that featured video down. Yeah, there's no indication that I'm live. It says streamed 39 minutes ago, and it's putting the videos up there for me. So this is weird. I guess I could go take them down, but there's nothing here showing that I'm live at all. So I don't think this is working. But anyway, let me see if I can go to like as an outsider maybe. Let me not be logged in as me. Let me switch account. Go to this account and go to Luxitam as just me. And there's nothing. Oh, this one's saying I'm live. Oh, that's a hot mess. Holy shit, that's horrible. This is what I see. I have no idea what the hell I'm doing, really, to be honest with you. I'm gonna have to play with this shit. I have no idea. I have no idea. It says I'm streaming in Streamlabs, but it's not in the on the YouTube channel. On YouTube, it's not doing it. No, not at all. Okay. We'll see how this works. Okay, so I'm wondering, do you get notifications? Did you click the bell and all that stuff?
I believe so. I think I have YouTube notifications turned off.
So are you seeing it?
Yeah, I do.
Let me see. So there it is, huh?
Yeah. That's fine.
Can you hear it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so it is working. Sound is okay?
Sounds great.
All right. You might want to step out of the scene. I might be using this in my video. Hey, so it works?
Yeah.
We're all good?
Yeah.
No.